The 2025 Toyota Crown stands out with a bold, fastback-style silhouette that blends sedan comfort with SUV-like presence. Presented by Desert Toyota. Its sleek LED lighting, high ground clearance, and available 21-inch wheels create a commanding look, while the bi-tone paint options give it an upscale, modern edge. Under the hood, the Crown offers two hybrid powertrains, the refined 2.5-liter Toyota hybrid system and the powerful 2.4-liter Hybrid Max. With up to 340 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive on select trims, it delivers confident acceleration and a smooth, composed ride for daily driving and highway cruising. Rear passengers will appreciate the Crown's spacious legroom, supportive seats, and elevated seating position for improved outward visibility. Available features like heated rear seats and rear air vents enhance comfort during longer drives. Step inside to a premium, driver-focused cabin featuring leather-trimmed surfaces, ambient lighting, and elegant accents. The high ride height allows for easy entry and exit, while the quiet cabin design ensures a relaxing driving experience. From the available panoramic roof and rain-sensing wipers to the hands-free power trunk and remote start, the Crown is built for daily ease. Multiple drive modes and a driver memory system help personalize your experience behind the wheel. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the Crown includes features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, and more, providing peace of mind on every journey. The 2025 Toyota Crown redefines the premium sedan with bold styling, hybrid performance, and high-end comfort. It's a confident choice for drivers seeking a luxurious yet practical ride with cutting-edge tech and Toyota's legendary reliability. You can view our selection at deserttoyota.com, give us a call at 520-585-5413, or visit our showroom today.